populated, I guess you'd call it, with distributed chairs, name badges for everything. Oh, we're getting some nice front of house sound there, and that's nice and boomy and good for my low voice, which I need to get checked out. And yeah, this is much nicer than being on Zoom. So now I'm going to move to the other mic. I'm getting a nod from Steve, so that's what I want to do. There'll be stuff on the screen, so that's wonderful. I think that's probably enough. Let's see how the recording went. I'll chuck it on my data stick and take it home and see if I can mix it together.